Welcome everyone to Investor Web, your ultimate guide to smart investments not only in finance but also in your health. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with valuable content that supports a healthy lifestyle even amidst the hustle and bustle of your professional life. We understand the importance of maintaining good health while juggling a busy schedule, and our mission is to help you achieve that. Today we will explore healthy eating habits designed for busy people like us. So, let's dive right in. Healthy eating is not just about staying in shape, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients to perform at your best. Imagine your body as a high-performance vehicle. Would you put low-quality fuel in a race car and expect it to perform at peak levels? Of course not. The same applies to our bodies. The food we consume is the fuel that powers us through our day. A well-balanced diet can boost our energy levels, enhance mental clarity, and even improve our mood. Moreover, healthy eating is a key player in overall wellness. It helps fortify our immune system, aids in maintaining a healthy weight, and can even ward off chronic diseases. However, we understand that maintaining healthy eating habits can be challenging, especially amidst a hectic schedule. The good news is it's not impossible, and we're here to guide you. So, busy professionals, worry not, we've got you covered. The first step in maintaining healthy eating habits is planning your meals. So let's dive into the art of meal planning. It's a simple yet effective tool to keep your nutrition on track, especially if you're a busy bee who's juggling multiple tasks at once. The beauty of meal planning is that it does more than just ensure you eat healthily. It's a time saver, stress reliever, and a guaranteed method to ensure balanced meals. Imagine a scenario where you're rushing between meetings and your stomach starts grumbling. Without a plan, you're likely to grab the quickest, often unhealthiest option available. But with a well-planned meal waiting for you, not only do you consume something nutritious, but you also save those precious minutes deciding what to eat. Now you might think, meal planning? That sounds like a lot of work. But let me assure you, it's easier than you think. A little bit of time invested on a Sunday can save you hours during the week. And the best part, you don't have to be a master chef. Start by planning meals for the entire week. Consider your schedule and plan meals that are easy to prepare on busier days. Include a good mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in each meal. And remember, variety is the spice of life, so mix it up. Include different types of vegetables, lean meats, and grains throughout the week. Now onto the practicals. Invest in some good quality meal prep containers. They are your best friends in this journey. Not only do they keep your meals fresh, but they also make portion control a breeze. And there you have it. With a little bit of planning, you can ensure that every meal you consume is a step towards a healthier you. It's not about being perfect, it's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. So get your planner out and start scheduling your meals. Snacks can be your best friend or your worst enemy. The key here is to choose wisely. Now let's talk about snacks. We all love a good nibble now and then, don't we? But what we often forget is that what we snack on can greatly impact our health and productivity. When hunger strikes in between meals, it's easy to reach for a bag of chips or a chocolate bar. But these options are high in unhealthy fats and sugars. Instead, consider healthier alternatives. Fruits are the superheroes of the snack world, packed with vitamins, fibers, and natural sugars that give you a quick energy boost. Apples, bananas, oranges, the options are endless. Plus, they're portable, making them perfect for on-the-go munching. Nuts, too, are a fantastic choice. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, you name it. Not only are they delicious, but they're also loaded with healthy fats and proteins that keep you satiated for longer periods. Just remember to keep your portions in check, as nuts are high in calories. And let's not forget about yogurt. A pot of Greek yogurt can be a protein-packed snack that's both satisfying and beneficial for your gut health. To sweeten it up, you could add a drizzle of honey or a handful of berries. Now, moving on to hydration, an aspect just as crucial as your food intake. Our bodies are about 60% water, and maintaining that balance is vital for our overall health and brain function. Dehydration can make you feel sluggish and can even affect your concentration. So make it a habit to carry a water bottle around. Aim for 8 glasses a day, more if you're physically active. Infuse your water with fresh fruits or herbs if you find plain water boring. Lemon, cucumber, mint. These can add a refreshing twist to your hydration game. Remember, the goal is not to starve yourself, but to fuel your body with healthy choices. So the next time you feel a hunger pang, reach for a piece of fruit, a handful of nuts, or a pot of yogurt. And don't forget to sip on that water. Your body and mind will thank you. Portion control is a critical aspect of healthy eating. It's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. It's about understanding that the size of your portions can be just as important as the quality of the food on your plate. Imagine for a moment that you're at a feast. There's a smorgasbord of delicious, nutritious foods all around you. Now you could pile your plate high, but then you might find yourself feeling uncomfortably full and perhaps even guilty. Instead, you could choose to take smaller portions of each dish, savoring the flavors and appreciating the variety. This way, you're not only enjoying your meal, but you're also being mindful of your intake. That's the essence of portion control. It's about moderation. It's about recognizing that even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if eaten in excess. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're satisfied but not stuffed. Now you might be wondering, how do I gauge the right portion size? Well, it's not as complicated as it might seem. For instance, a portion of lean protein should be about the size of your palm, while a portion of grains or starchy vegetables should be about the size of your fist. A portion of fruits or vegetables should fill about half of your plate. Yes, it's true. Portion control does require some mindfulness and discipline. It involves being present in the moment, paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues, but the benefits are well worth the effort. In the end, it's about balance. So keep an eye on your portions and remember, a little can go a long way. By practicing portion control, you're not depriving yourself. You're simply ensuring that you're fueling your body with the right amount of nourishment it needs. And isn't that a healthier, more sustainable way to enjoy the foods you love? So there you have it. Healthy eating habits that can fit into your busy schedule. From understanding why healthy eating matters to planning your meals, healthy snacks, hydration, and portion control, we've traversed a wide spectrum of fundamental aspects that underscore the importance of maintaining a balanced diet, even amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane and revisit some of the salient points we've discussed today. We kicked off our journey by highlighting the paramount importance of healthy eating. It isn't just about keeping our bodies in tip-top shape. It's a crucial factor that impacts our productivity, focus, and energy levels. In essence, the food we consume is the fuel that powers our bodies, and just like a high-performance vehicle, we need the right kind of fuel to function optimally. We then moved on to discuss meal planning. We learned that a bit of foresight and preparation can go a long way in ensuring we have access to nutritious and satisfying meals even on our busiest days. Remember, the key is to plan, prepare, and pack your meals in advance. This strategy not only helps us stay on top of our nutritional intake, but also saves us time and money in the long run. Next, we delved into the realm of healthy snacks and the importance of hydration. We discovered that smart snacking can help keep hunger at bay and maintain our energy levels throughout the day. And let's not forget about water, the elixir of life. Staying well hydrated is essential for virtually every bodily function, from digestion to cognition. Our journey then led us to the doorstep of portion control, a simple yet effective way to manage our calorie intake without compromising on the satisfaction of our meals. By being mindful of our portion sizes, we can enjoy a diverse array of foods while keeping our calorie count in check. But remember, consistency is the secret sauce that brings all these elements together. It isn't about making radical changes overnight. Instead, it's about making small, sustainable tweaks to our eating habits that we can stick to in the long run. Thank you for joining us today on InvestorWeb. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Remember, your health is your wealth, so invest wisely.